Want a smarter way to track your emails? In this guide, we'll show you how to automatically add new Gmail messages to a Google Sheet. No manual entry and no code required. Start by going to your AppyPie Automate website. Click Explore, then search and select Gmail from the list of apps. On the Gmail integration page, scroll down, find Google Sheets, and click it to open the combined integration setup. You'll see available triggers, actions, and ready-made templates. Click Get Started with Gmail and Google Sheets integration to begin. Sign in or create a new account to your AppyPie Automate account. Set Gmail as the trigger app and choose New Email. Connect your Gmail account and select the inbox or label you want to monitor. Run a test to confirm it's working. Now choose Google Sheets as your action app and select Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account, then pick the spreadsheet and worksheet where new emails should be logged. Next, map fields Google Sheet columns. Select Spreadsheet to column A, Worksheet to column B, Email Subject to column C, and Body or Snippet to column D. Click Continue and test the action. Now, click on Active Connect button to test on live. To test it live, send a new email to your connected Gmail account. Check your Google Sheet to see the row automatically added. See now your Connect is live. And that's it. You've successfully connected Gmail with Google Sheets using AppyPie Automate. No more copying and pasting emails manually.